Hello everyone. I Neha Patil welcome you all in today's session. Today we will see one simple concept related with binary tree, that is the pre-order traversal of a binary tree. So here I have taken this binary tree. This is also binary search tree because if you see all the nodes in the left side are less than the root data and all the nodes in the right side are greater than the root data. So this is the example related with the binary search tree. In binary search tree and binary tree, the pre-order traversal is same. And here I have written the code, recursive code for this pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal is nothing but what? The binary tree we can display with the help of three traversal techniques: pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, and the post-order traversal. Now today we'll focus on the pre-order traversal. In case of the pre-order traversal, the technique is first we have to visit the root node, then we have to visit the left side, and then we have to visit the right side. That is the mnemonics we can say DLR technique. D, L and the R is there. Recursively, same again we have to apply on the left side and the right side. Again in the left side, this is the root node, this is the left side and this is the right side is there. So again DLR we can say. In the right side again if we apply the DLR, this 20 is the root node, this 12, 9, 15 is going to become the left side and 23 is going to become the right side. Again for this 12 here, this 9 is the left side, 15 is the right side. So each subtree again we have to divide in the DLR part and then we can easily apply the pre-order traversal. Now see here, this is the recursive code we have written here. Here we are passing the root node because always the visit we have to start from the traversing, we have to start from the root data. If the root is not equal to null, that means if the tree is not empty, we are going to display the root data. And then here I'm passing the root left pointer to the same function pre-order. This is actually the recursive call is there. Pre-order and pre-order. The function names are same. Just we are passing here the left pointer. Whenever it will go in the left side, once again it will check whether the root is null or not. That means if the left subtree is present or absent. If it is present, then once again it will display the root data in the left side. And if that left child is going to contain one more left child, then it will again give call for this pre-order function. Whenever the left side execution is over, then it will go to the right side for that particular node here. And the same again DLR technique it will apply and we'll get the pre-order output that is in the form DLR. Now we'll see how exactly it is working. So if you are able to see, it is going to start from the 5. So 5 is displayed here. Then it will go to the 2 here as 2 is nothing but the left child. So 2 is displayed here. Once again, it is going for the left side and it is displaying the 1. Now after the 1, as the left side is over, so now it will go back for the 2 and it will display the 4 here. So if you see 4 is present here. Then as the 4 is not going to contain any left and the right child, so it will again go back and it will go for the 20. As the 5's right child is nothing but the 20, so it will display the 20. For the 20 now, 12 is nothing but the left child, so it will display it. For the 12, 9 and 15, these are the two child nodes. So first it will visit the 9. After the 9, as no further child is there, so it will go back for the 12 and it will go to the 15 for the right child. After the 15, no left and the right child is present, so it will go back for the parent node and grandparent node and then it will go to the right side and then it will display the 23. And for the 23, no further left and the right child is present. So as the tree is over, so it will stop now and we'll see the output 5, 2, 1, 4, 20, 12, 9, 15, 30, 23. So this is the pre-order output of this binary tree. So in this way, this recursive code will work here. And same pre-ordered output we can get with the help of the non-recursive code also. Already I have created that video. You can watch that video for the non-recursive traversal. So hope you have understood the concept of the pre-order traversal. So thank you very much for watching this video.